So if you do this, you will lose all your fund. Yes, if you are not connected to your wallet is authentic website, maybe your fund will be lost. So in this video, we are going to discuss how we can overtrust wallet with PancakeSwap and also Uniswap. Means we are covering two websites on in this video tutorial. So this video is very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So let's start our video. You can see here right top corner I have the trust wallet. First of all, I'm going to click on it and open my wallet, enter my password here. Now my wallet is open front of me. I'm going to click on full screen. Now you can see here, I hope you properly view of this my trust wallets. And today we are going to cover two websites or three websites. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to connect our trust wallet with PancakeSwap. So how can I do? So simple and easy. Just going to open PancakeSwap. You can see here. This is a DeFi website. Now PancakeSwap website is going to open in front of me. You can see here, this is the official website. Before going to connect your wallet, you cross check you are going to connect authentic website or not, means original website. If you connect any phishing website, so your fund will be lost. So keep in your mind and complete research when you are going to connect your wallet. So going to click on PancakeSwap home. Now website is going to open in front of me, and after that we will connect our trust wallet with PancakeSwap. So just waiting for this. You can see here the PancakeSwap is open in front of me. You can easily swap your one currency to other currency from this website, and you can also use TVL. So you can see here the website is open in front of me. How can you connect your trust wallet with PancakeSwap? So simple. Right top corner you can see here there is option available here, connect a wallet. I'm going to click on this connect a wallet. After that you can see here many wallets option is available here. So I just need to discuss about trust wallet. You can also see here MetaMask, Binance, OKX and Phantom, many wallets available here. Just simple click on trust wallet. After that you can see here there is EVM multi-chain connected, and you can also connect your Solana chain. So I just simple click on multi-chain. Now my trust wallet is going to open and authorized this website. You must cross check before going to connect your wallet. Allowing wallet balance and activity, allows sending request for transaction, moving fund without your permission. So this is best for us, simple connect. And now you can see here my wallet is going to connected with PancakeSwap. Yes, switch. So where you confirm your wallet is connected or not, just wait. You can see here right top corner my balance is shown here. I have not balance in my trust wallet, so that you can see here not shown any balance here. If you have balance, then your balance will be shown here. Let's suppose you want to swap your one currency to other currency. You have BNB and you want to USDT. Simple click on it, and after that USDT, can see here USDT means you want to send BNB and you want to receive USDT. So you can select from this option, and after that enter the amount which you want to send the money and which want to receive the money. I have not any amount this time, I just giving to method. So enter your amount, and after that you just simple click on it, and then your BNB swap to USDT. So this is so simple and easy. I hope you properly understand how can you connect your trust wallet with PancakeSwap. Now we are going to discuss our second website, Uniswap. Same scenario almost. And but before going to connect your trust wallet, you cross check you are using original website, app.uniswap.org. This is the official website. I'm not giving to any financial advice. It's depend on you. Before going to connect your wallet with these websites, you complete your research. Okay, I just giving to education how you connect your trust wallet with DeFi. So you can see here same interface like PancakeSwap. Right top corner you can see here the option available, connect a wallet, and then there's many wallets available here. I need to connect my trust wallet with this website, so just simple click on trust wallet, and now the trust wallet is going to open front of me for the authorized. Same option available here, simple click on connect. Now connected to the Uniswap. We have also connect our trust wallet with Uniswap, and right top corner your address will be shown here. You can see here, this is my address, my wallet. And let's suppose you want to swap one crypto to other crypto. Simple, same scenario. Select, let's suppose you have Ethereum, and you need to convert USDT or any other coin. Let's suppose I am going to convert USDT. I have one Ethereum. So how much I will get the USDT? You can see here. I will get or receive 2,243 USDT I will receive after swap this option. I have not fund, so that their option is available here, add to fund. But you can use this method to swap any cryptocurrency with other. But before going to connect your wallet, you complete your search. After that, you will do this. So after use your transaction, you just simple click on it, and you must disconnect your wallet with this side. Simple click on cross button and your website will be disconnected. And also there is PancakeSwap shown here, and there is also setting shown here. You can change your setting according to your transaction. Okay, well, I hope you properly understand how can you connect or swap your trust wallet with PancakeSwap and Uniswap. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.